because I don't have to yell to be able to talk on the phone. It's not that loud at idle. It has just a perfect healthy sound. When you get on it, then it wakes it up. The perfect build there. This is with the windows down. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 14,809 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering, that's just in camera, not in person. I do have the windows down. You have really dark tint on this front windshield and the sides, including the brow. You can kind of see the difference with no tint with the tint. Hitting the brakes. Brakes are solid. Car sounds really good. That's why I rolled the windows down. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel straight. Put it down in manual mode. You got your paddle shifters. Now we're in third, second, and it can be really tame if you want it to. It's not obnoxious. Then you can downshift, really wake it up. Beautiful sunset there. Makes for a good drive. Shifts really nice. And that's just barely getting on it. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Really, really nice. Day code on the tires, 2021 Extreme Contact Sports. They look good. Marker lights look awesome. That paint is in great condition. A-pillar looks good. Roof looks nice. Couple little rock impacts, but very subtle. You have a little chip on the door edge. You have a couple small chips there. The rest of that door looks good. Plastic, kind of has a little faded look in some spots. You got film right there on the edge protecting it. Couple little impacts, very light scuff. Got something kind of sticky right there. Day code on this tire, 2022. I don't see any curb rash. Got the 5% tint here. Got the whole front windshield tinted. Got the carbon right there. That looks awesome. You're gonna have typical little rock impacts here on the front. A couple little spots where bugs kind of etched. There's a chip. A few really light ones, but the condition is really, really nice though. Got some gashes here. Little rock impacts when you get close. A little bit of rash. Got some chips. You do have rash on that wheel. Lower side looks good. something kind of on the paint there. I'm gonna say that's a scuff. A couple spots where bugs kind of etched into the clear. That looks good. You do have some chips on that door edge. Very subtle. Got the film here protecting that. You do have a larger chip there. It's been touched up in small little impacts. Here on that wheel. Looks really good. That looks nice. Now you do have some damage here. You have a crack, and then you can see it's kind of melted. It looks like maybe from the exhaust. It might have fell down. You're gonna see that flaw, so you might need to get that repaired if you wanted it that perfect. Little scuff there. Got the Corsa exhaust. Thing sounds amazing. Deck lid looks good. Looks like the alignment's off a little bit on that diffuser. Everything else though looks really nice. Paint is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the depth in it. Beautiful car. All right, checking out the engine bay. Looks really good. We'll have the build list on the website. All of this is nice and clean. Looks really good. Underside looks awesome. And then when you look at the carbon and the right lighting, you're gonna see it's a little hazy. It needs a good polish to try to bring it back to life, to make it perfect. But that is in perfect lighting. Everywhere else it looks really good. Right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Got the stainless here, that looks nice. Got the insert here, super clean. That door panel looks good. You do have your typical wear from getting in and out here. That trim looks good. Little chip there, a couple light scuffs. That bolster's in great condition. Typical wrinkles right there in the leather. A little bit of wear on the edge. Otherwise, that seat is really nice. We do have a small stain here on the Alcantara. Looking at the wheel, still has a matte finish to it. Looks really good. You have all the carbon in here. That looks nice. Alcantara. Upper side of the dash, I do see some spots here. See that kind of hazy look right there? The other side looks good. All that carbon. A couple little scuffs there on the plastic. Otherwise, this looks really, really good. All right, checking out the interior on this side. All of that's clean. Really light scuffs there, otherwise in great condition. A couple light scuffs here. That looks good. That looks nice. That bolster edge is clean. Alcantara looks really good. That Alcantara looks nice.